In this video, we are going to take a look at keyboard shortcuts and tricks you can use when navigating the TradingView platform. Stick around to learn more. Welcome back to the Trade with Resolve channel. Let's jump right in to keyboard shortcuts so you can learn how to navigate the TradingView platform more efficiently. So let's begin by taking a look at the zoom feature. So you can zoom in and out by utilizing your scroll wheel on your mouse. So you can simply scroll up or down using the scroll wheel to adjust the zoom. Now, if you are wanting to have a more focused zoom, you can press Control plus the scroll wheel to zoom in on a specific area of the chart. Now let's jump into how to change the symbol. So we are currently viewing Apple. Let's say you would like to take a look at Netflix, for example. You can simply begin typing on your keyboard to change the symbol and then press enter. This will bring up another ticker symbol. Now let's take a look at how you can change the time frame. So you can change the time frame by simply beginning to type the interval in minutes. So for example, if you would like to view the 2-minute chart, you can simply press the number 2 and enter. If you would like to view the 5-minute chart, you can press the number 5 and press enter. If you'd like to view the 1-hour chart, you can press 60 and press enter. So it's very easy to navigate and change the ticker symbol and the time frames. Next, let's discuss shortcuts for different drawing tools. If you would like to draw a trend line, you can simply press Alt plus T, and this will allow you to draw your trend lines. Alt plus T to draw the lower trend line here, and at this point we have a symmetrical triangle pattern. Now if you would like to draw a horizontal line, you can press Alt plus H, and you now have a horizontal line. Now let's say you would like to duplicate this drawing. You can press Control plus drag to duplicate this horizontal line. If you would like to view a vertical line, you can press Alt plus V, and now you have a vertical line. Now keep in mind, when it comes to duplicating an object, you can duplicate any object. So let's say you would like to view a rectangle. So here is our rectangle. Again, if you would like to duplicate it, you will simply press Control and drag, and now you have a cloned rectangle. Now, anytime you would like to undo or remove a drawing, you can simply press Control Z, and this will allow you to undo the drawings. If you would like to quickly access the measuring tool, you can simply press Shift and then click, and then you can drag your mouse to the appropriate price action, click again, and you have now measured a specific move. So in this case with Apple, we can see here there were 17 bars or candlesticks in 1 hour and 25 minutes, and there was a $1.59 push to the upside. So the measuring tool is a really nice feature to utilize. Lastly, let's say you would like to quickly hide the lower panel of your indicators. Here in the bottom panel, we have the volume indicator. So if you would like to hide any indicators that are within this bottom panel, you can simply double click the chart to remove it. And now you have a less cluttered chart. If you'd like to bring your indicators back to the lower panel, simply double click once more and they will be displayed again. If you would like to view the complete list of keyboard shortcuts, you can head over to the menu at the top left corner and select Keyboard Shortcuts. I hope you found value in this tutorial. If you did, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.